Hi, my name is Greg. Welcome to the third out of 5 videos in the Journal Article and Resource Process series. This will be a shorter video. I want to demonstrate how to select the specific articles about which you will write your review, the article that you really are going to spend some time with and engage with, how to select that article effectively from the ones that you just harvested as possibilities from online. So, quick review so far. You looked at the matrix, you determined learner groups and technologies of interest to you. That was stage one. You generated some keywords. That was also in stage one. And the second step, then you went and took those keywords, went to the library's academic databases, searching the keywords, find some results, identify potentially interesting articles, open them up in new tabs, skim through them. If they look potentially interesting, you download them, and then you save them onto your desktop. This is the third step, and what I've done is something additional, which is I created a folder specifically for this project, and I recommend this when you're downloading a lot of material. You may or may not use the material or all of the material, but it's still good to have it organized. So I open up the folder, I look what's in here, and normally you would have 7 to 10 different articles. Now I want to make sure, doubly sure, that this is of interest to me. So I open it up, and the first thing that I do is I confirm the date that yes, this is somewhat current, 2010. Then I read this first paragraph, sometimes the first and second paragraph, to see if this is interesting to me. Now remember, my initial search material was about K through 5 and use of video. And now this is about caption media as mentor expository texts. From what I can tell from skimming through here, displaying cartoons, captions, helping children read. I don't see much about the ages. Intermediate level context, basic level context, grades 4 through 6, grades 2 through 12. So this is some material that they've reviewed. So I look through here, and this is a pretty short article, which is nice, but I want to try and find some kind of summary here. And let's see, it can be valuable resource, could has educational assets, etc., blah blah blah. But what I don't really see here is much discussion of material or ideas itself. This seems much more like an overview of other people's work that supports this concept of using caption media as expository mentor texts. So this might be good if, one, I was interested in captions, or two, I wanted to work and focus on reading. My focus is primarily on video, so this is not of direct relevance or interest to me. But if I should go the path of captions or mentor texts, then clearly there is a list of other materials that I can go to. So I do not want to use this right now. Now the next step here that I do is important. I create a new folder and I type it up as reviewed, don't use. So I don't have to look at material 3 to 5 times to figure out whether or not I want to use it. Now I'm going to do virtual inquiry because I still remember, hey, that was pretty interesting material. So I set it up here in the center. Children working with labs, yes, it sounds interesting. K through 12 classroom, so yes, that covers my K through 5 interest. Let's see, video conferences. If I want to find the other occurrences of video, then I can open up search, do video conferencing, video conferencing, video conferencing, and it's video chat, video technology, video conferencing, video conferencing. So What's clear is that the video emphasis in this article is about video conferencing. If I'm interested in video conferencing and the use of that kind of video in the classroom, this is right on target for me. But if I'm more interested in the use of video, say on the monitors or overhead or video creation, then this is not of use to me. So let's just say that I like the idea of using video in science because they both seem cool, and video conferencing doesn't require a lot of money, and I could expose my fourth graders or third graders to some scientists, maybe get some positive role models in there. So I'll say, yeah, I want to look at this. So then what I do is I create a new folder and I name it articles yes. Then I take the virtual inquiry, I drop it in there, and I've decided yes. And this process I go through one after the other, because it keeps everything in perspective. If there's some articles that you're not sure about, dump them in the yes, maybe you'll look at them. But you want to have 5 or 7 in there before you go through this process, maybe even 10, so you can filter them out so that when we move into the next phase where you're actually writing your first review, you know exactly where the article is, what it's about, and what you want to do with it. All right. Hopefully you found this helpful.